Hi everyone, my name is Simon Mtweve. I'm a CEO and the founder from Mbeya Oil Cado. Mbeya Oil Cado is a small scale industry. We are located at Mbeya town, Tanzania. According to the research from Njombe Southern Inland Association, it shows that 60% avocado farmers, especially Mbeya, Njombe and Songwe, most of them, they don't have a special market of avocado reject. So this makes them to lose their income, and sometimes I say to a cheaper price because most of them, they don't have a special market of avocado reject. Even here in Tanzania, we don't have a special market of avocado reject. So after finding that, Mbeya Oil Cado will come with a solution by process and producing 5 products from avocado reject, which are cooking avocado oil, cosmetics avocado oil, avocado tea bag by using avocado seed powder. Also, we are producing fish feed by using avocado cake. Finally, we are producing organic fertilizer by using remaining product after processing avocado oil. Also, Mbeya Oil Cado, we have a special program which help a smallholder farmer to know before harvesting, to know how many quantity of avocado reject are the tree before harvesting. Mbeya Oil Cado have 25 companies from Dubai. Currently per month we are producing 300 liters, but we are expecting to produce more than 15 liters in order to cover a Dubai market. Also, we expected to increase number of employees from 20 staff to more than 50 staff. We are partner with more than 50 farmers from Mbeya, Njombe and Songwe. Our competitors, Mbeya Oil Cado, we have 2 company competitors which are Olivado Njombe and Avo Africa Makambako. The difference between us or our competitors, Mbeya Oil Cado, we are producing more than 5 product from avocado reject, whereby others they produce only avocado oil. So that is a difference between us and our competitors. Our business model is B2B and B2C, whereby we are purchasing avocado to the farmer, we are processing, then we sell to wholesaler, and sometimes we are selling directly to the customer. Mbeya Oil Cado, we are working with different organizations like Haifa International, NMB Bank and Stanbic Bank. Cado, we have 5 technical team, which are Simon Mtweve, who is CEO, David Nelson, who are CEO, and Rose Mjuni, she is a production manager. She have experience in food process more than 5 years for food processing. Also, we have Lucy Walman, who is a financial manager, and Mariam Usman Majid, she's a marketing manager from Dubai. Thank you for listening. You can follow us to the YouTube account or Instagram, or you can just like Mbeya Oil.